Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. You are all welcome to this wonderful free 2 months online Quran program for adults. So this is going to be our first lesson, inshallah. So on the course outline, the first on the list is Arabic letters, which is Qira'atu Hurufil Hija, meaning reading of Arabic letters. But these Arabic letters is going to take another dimension, inshallah. So we are not going to learn Alif, Ba, Ta, Sa this time around because our participants are already acquainted with this. In letters, the sound is what we use to recite the Quran. So we are going to focus on the sound that each letter produce. So, but these letters, there are some that whenever they take either fatha or kesra or dhamma, their sounds looks alike. So this is where we are going to focus our lesson this night. So we are not learning alif fatiha ba fatiha ba. So we are taking it in another dimension. So, but these are our required lesson. So, but based on this, I have created another slide to explain this extensively. So let us move to that slide to have our lesson. So here is the slide. So here you have Arabic letters with close sound. So we have identified some letters that whenever they take fatha, kasra or dhamma, their sound looks similar. So they are 5 groups as we identified. So we are starting with the first group. As you can see on the screen right now, the first group. So where we have Hamza, Ha, Kho, Ain, and Ha. So as I pronounce the name of this letter, they were quite different from each other. But once they take fatha or kesra or dhamma, their sounds look similar. So let's practice what I'm trying to say. Let's give them kesra and see what I'm trying to say. We have Hamza, Hamza kesra, E. So we have Ha kesra, He. We have Kho kesra, Khi. So we have Ain Kesra I, and we have Ha Kesra Hi. But the funny part is that most people give other letters the same sound as the first one. I mean, they found it easy to pronounce the first one, so they give other letters the same sound as the first one, which is not supposed to be so. So inshallah, we are going to learn how to pronounce these letters separately. The first one is A, which is Hamza. So this one is very easy to pronounce. So in fact, it does not need any extra activities. So that's why most people give it the same sound as the first one. So where we have Hamza Fatia A, so it come out easily. A, as if it is something surprising. A. Can you see now? Hamza Kesro E. Hamza Doma U. That's it. The second one, which is Ha. Whenever I want to pronounce this one, a kind of breath or air comes out from your mouth like this. I say as if you have tired and the breathing is now rushing out. So that's how you're going to pronounce this one. So let's give it the sound. So where we have Ha Fatia Ha Fatia Ha Kesra He. Can you see how the breath is coming out? He. And we have Ha Doma Hu. So it's not Ha Doma U or Ha Kesra E. No. It is ha doma hu, ha kesra he, he. That's how to pronounce this letter. So why move to the next one, which is ha, I mean ho, ho. This one is coming out from the throat. So as if something block your throat, so you are trying to push it out. That's how you pronounce this one. It is ho, ho, ho. So when we give it this forward sounds, which is fatia, kesra, duma, so it become ho, fatia, ho, ho, fatia, ho, ho, kesra, khi, khi, khi. Can you see it's from the throat? So we have ho, duma, hu, hu. So it's not ho, fatia, a, ho, kesra, i, ho, duma, u. No. So rather, kho fatia kho, kho doma khu, kho kesro khi. So from the throat. So while the next one is ain, ain, ain. It's also from the throat, but from the upper side of the throat. So this one comes as if a child is playing, trying to make a kind of sound. So which is ain, ah, ah, ah. So you say ain fatia ah, ah, ain kesra i, i, ain doma ru. So this is how we pronounce this one. Why the last one is ha, ha. So if you have heard the sound of a cow, whenever a cow is trying to give a sound, so do ha, ha. So that's how we pronounce this one. So which is ha, fatia, ha, ha, kesra, he, ha, doma, hu. So it's not ha, fatia, a, ha, kesra, i, ha, doma, u. No, rather it is ha, fatia, ha, ha, kesra, he, ha, doma, hu. So I would like you to try out these sounds. So and try to make it different from one another. So this will be the end of today's lesson. So I would not like this video to be too long. So why we practice the next group of this later. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.